Hey guys, we finally got a break in the rain and I thought I would escape outside and work on the grill. Look at that. It is filthy. But I thought it would be fun to challenge two different products because with Norwex, there's never any one thing, right? We got options. So I'm going to use the degreaser on one side of my grill and the Biozyme on the other, and we'll see, is there one better than the other? Do they both work the same? Does one work faster? Let's find out. All right, here we go. Can already see it melting away with the degreaser. Now comes the Biozyme. Let's run into the camera. All right, we got netted dishcloth and Spiri sponge. We're going to take on the degreaser side. Initial wipe down with the degreaser, looking good. Now let's do the Biozyme side. All right, we're gonna give it a final wipe down now. I really like the multi-purpose bamboo cloth for the finalization of the grill because it's got that little extra scrubby to pick up any of that last sticky residue that's left. And so we're gonna do this and check it out. Stainless steel. Now I think we're ready for spring barbecue. So, in my professional opinion, the heavy-duty degreaser seemed to take everything off really easily. There was less residue left over than the side that had the Biozyme. Felt like the Biozyme had a little more residual stickiness. But it also was the dirtier side. But I think because of the soapy film that the Biozyme left behind, I'm going to stick with the degreaser when I clean my grill. But both products turned out a beautiful sparkly shine. So you can use either one. I think I'm just going to stick with the degreaser for my grill. Have a great day, everybody.